Hey everybody, haven't done one of these Man About Town videos in a long time, so I thought I'd do one again. I've been thinking a lot about the questions that we get asked by customers and prospects all the time. Being an AI company, one of the things we've got to do is be able to predict people's behavior, predict that they're going to quit, predict how much money they'll be worth to you in the future, understand what kind of value we want to give them now or in the immediate future that'll keep them active for longer. A lot of questions that we get are, how do you do that? How is an AI supposed to be able to do that? Well, the short answer of it is that it's all about pattern recognition. Think about it. If you've been dealing with the field, for example, for say the past 10 or 20 years, you've probably built up some kind of an instinct, right? An instinct that would allow you to be able to meet someone who's maybe new in the field, for example, and get a gut instinct about whether or not that person is going to be someone who's actually going to be a worker, who's actually going to build a business, or they're going to be one of those way too many people who will say that they will and then not, right? And I'd bet that after 10 or 20 years of doing this, you've probably got a pretty good hit rate, right? You're probably right about 80% of the time, or maybe even 90% of the time, you can hit that right on the head. Well, what is that? Why are you able to do that? At the end of the day, it's really about pattern recognition. And a lot of these behavioral patterns and things that you're able to see in people are happening in your subconscious mind, basically below your mind's ability to be aware that you're even doing that math, that you're even finding those patterns or what they even are. But they're there, and that's what that instinct is. It's a type of subconscious pattern recognition that bubbles up to your conscious mind in the form of a feeling, right? Like you feel right about that person, you don't feel right about them. You feel they're gonna have this future or that, and that 80 or 90% accuracy. Well, what an AI is doing is taking lots and lots and lots of data. So far, we're already at 9 million life cycles analyzed in over 40 countries all over the world. And by looking at all those patterns of behavior from millions and millions of people, patterns begin to emerge. And what an AI is basically doing is taking what has taken someone in the field, for example, maybe 10 or 20 years to develop that pattern recognition. An AI can do that same type of pattern recognition in a matter of minutes and do it at scale, as if you, that person with all that experience, could individually meet every single customer and distributor in your field and have that gut instinct about them with that same 80 or 90% accuracy. That's what a really well-trained AI allows you to do. And once you've got that, then the next question is, what do you do about it? And we'll cover that in another video. All the best, and thanks for listening.